So I'm replacing this vent in my in-laws' bathroom. Here's the sound of what it sounds like before. Gonna remove the motor from the casing so I can install the casing. This was kind of a hassle. I had to, because it wouldn't slide out, I had to break apart the entire motor because I didn't understand why it was stuck up inside there and I couldn't get it out. There. Also right here too. It's just wedged. And there's just something about it that's wedged. Okay, so here it is. The reason why this thing won't come out is the box is put up there, but there's little flanges up inside. Let's see if I can show you. Up inside, this way, going into, like there's a stud right here, and it's going into the stud. So the reason why I can't pull it out is because where I can't see, it's been nailed in over here, and probably over here too. Because that's why I can't, that's why it's stuck. Like, there's no screws on the inside, but for some reason I can't pull it out. That's probably it. And so I've got to maybe cut inward to see if I can break those screws. Peace. By the way, you should probably wear gloves. I just left mine downstairs. I'm using my extra long blade. I'm hoping this can go in and I can turn it this way to cut the screws. So I cut the piece that was going this way and the piece that was going this way behind, well, pretty much underneath this drywall, which I didn't see. And of course, as soon as I cut it, it came down. So here I am measuring the box, making sure it fits in the drywall. A little trace action. Then making my cuts with a oscillating tool. Fits it to size perfectly. This tool is great, by the way, for drywall. Breaks into the drywall like butter. Like a little mini saw that just vibrates back and forth. Takes a little squeezing, but I was able to fit it in there. Then I screw it into the stud that's in the side. Finagle fit the venting pipe in there and made it work. This is my power all hooked up. Now I'm installing the fan motor back inside. Everything looks super clean. Are you ready? Let's test it. See. It works. Now I'm putting on the vanity. This is what covers up the fan. Did it, guys. Now, clean up. Okay, here is the new vent. And that's the sound.